deep down in my heart, the woman's an old woman. I think she made courageous steps by using the Cúpla Focal to unucht Iran in Dublin Castle. I think what heartened me was two areas that heartened me towards our views. One was our entry to, I'm fanatical for GAA, our entry to Croke Park. And the other one was where I got 6 months in jail one time for lording the flag, was the Garden of Remembrance. That she went in there, she took the bow, she took the salute and acknowledged that it was wrong on both sides. So she's human.
So maybe.
I'd have a look at it. I wouldn't be jumping over the table. I'd no offence to the lady, you know, but the royal family and our members of Commander-in-Chiefs of the Parachute Regiment who done a lot of damage in Derry bloody Sunday. Now I know the IRA done a lot of damage on other, you could twist that. They also, you know, Prince Charles was the Commander-in-Chief, I think, of the Parachute Regiment. You know, that would be still a bit close to me because when I was a young Republican, I spent a lot of time in Derry. But I wouldn't have any animosity towards the woman. It's as simple as that, you know. My mother'd go through me. If I had animosity towards anybody, but in particularly with the lady. Like I saw Martin McGuinness shake hands with me, that's fine, he knows he has to move on, and that's progress. And if Martin McGuinness was able to do it and had the courage to do it, I don't see why not the rest of us. But I'd have thoughts about it, I wouldn't dive into it.